Hi there. Welcome back. This is Haunter POV episode 2. I hope you guys enjoyed the first one. If you haven't seen it, go back and watch it. It will be in a playlist along with this one. Um, same thing. This is from the next night. So I hope you enjoy it. Stick around at the end and I'll kind of elaborate a little bit on the clips. So without further ado, Haunter POV episode 2.
Stand over there. No, stand over there. Stand on the side. Sorry.
Oh my god!
Hey. Zoe.
No!
Zoe.
Zoe. Bradley, go that way.
My daddy's black. He owns guns. I have lice.
I don't have hair.
No, I can't do this.
Alright, I'm done.
Can I pull your needle? Can I pull it?
Go ahead.
Thank you. She's pulling out with her. Thank you. Oh my
Who are you?
Can they take a picture with you? Who wants to take a picture? Yeah. No! Brody, come over here! Stop!
I'm gonna take a picture. We're gonna take it. Yes, you do.
Where's Tommy?
I told y'all don't look at him. They say pure contacts.
Wait, do you know what?
No.
Can you take a
No.
video? Do you know
No.
what
No.
the like internet
No.
is bad?
How long have you been acting here?
I don't know what you mean.
Could you take the video?
Do you want to? Like, oh, please don't get dummy.
Why?
You're flavor.
It's healthy. Do you want to taste it?
Oh,
You have
Try-
a little
try
spit
some.
coming out.
I can't. I have
What?
COVID. Like, no way.
You actually laughed at them.
No. I just pretend to make her feel
Wait,
better.
you want to? Oh wait.
No.
He's eating your hair. Coming up to me, bro. I didn't do anything. Oh my god! No way! Bro, Eddie, what did you do, bro? Jordan. Oh, his mouth.
Gabriel.
my god! Wait in the. Why was he behind you? What the? Watch your time! What the? Yeah.
Oh my god.
Woo! You need to go to the dentist. Oh my god. Oh, stop! He look creepy. No, you're like, I'm gonna be dreaming about you.
We just want to hug. Just want to hug.
Did y'all request this?
Hey.
Did y'all request
Can you go Can I take a picture?
What is that?
Give her a dot in her head.
Please stop.
No.
Give her.
There's one for you. One for you. There you go. Nice twins, yeah. Oh, how it works. Oh my god.
Baby, I see your nails, boo.
You didn't take it off the group.
Yes, I did.
You did. You just did.
Will you take, I guess I can do it.
You want to take a picture?
Will you take a picture? Okay. It might be too dark. Hold on.
Hey, I remember him. Just rub the ball head. Come on, man, dab me up. No, please don't. I have white on. Please don't. Please don't. It hurt. It was her.
Put your finger down.
It was
Put
her.
your finger down.
Miss Jamie, take a picture. Take a picture. Stop it.
Yeah.
Are those real piercings?
Uh-huh.
Why is there blood in your mouth?
Oh.
It's a real piercing.
What?
Did you actually get those pierced for this or no? Yes, no, maybe.
Take a picture.
I see your jawline. Oh,
You
sorry.
see my jawline? Thank
Yeah.
you. I have a very nice jawline.
That's what I say when I get scared.
What?
Fuck me in the ass.
Okay, wow.
You've never heard the song that says "fuck me in the ass"?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the song I play when I go pick my kids up. You like that?
You gotta be pure.
Yeah.
Do it in the ass. There's a loophole. I'm gonna tell my kids this.
Father, Son, Holy Spirit. You need to go to church
I know.
and sing that song
I
there.
actually haven't, gone to church in like 5 years.
Why? It's so much fun, especially when you don't want to be
Every time I
there.
go, I start smoking.
Oh,
I like burst into flames.
hello. Why'd you say it like that?
You're like fascinating.
Okay. Sure. Yes.
Well, I hope you enjoyed episode 2 of Haunter POV. I will have some more for you throughout the season, of course. This one, I wanted to focus a little bit more on just reactions rather than just chasing scenes. I know people like that sort of stuff. I don't run as much as I used to. I am getting older. You have to keep that in mind. Again, as I said in the previous episode, I rely on presence more than anything. But I wanted to show interactions, reactions of just you know, me standing there, sometimes interacting. I'm sure you'll notice this one, I speak a lot less than I did on the first one. It's kind of a weird progression as the season goes on. I talk less and less. I talk a lot in the beginning, and then I kind of go through this like period where I talk less and less throughout the season, and then at the very end I get just so, I don't know, slap happy that everything, I talk about everything, and I won't shut the fuck up. And it's just weird shit. I just become so sleep deprived and just out of sorts that it becomes this weird comedic afterthought, if you will. So hope you enjoyed. I will see you on the next episode. Later.